Hey guys, it's Muchibi here, and welcome to video number 2 of learning Photoshop. And in this video part, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a project and making you understand how layers work. So I have my Photoshop open here. If you have yours, you can open it and follow along. So to create a new project, you're gonna come to File and come on New. This pop-up will come right up. Here's where you put the name of the project. Let me just name mine tutorial. And you can here is where it gets tricky right here. Here you have to set the width of your, if you are gonna work on an icon, logo, or just photo, you're gonna need to set the resolution here, the width and the height. So if you don't know about pixels, I'm gonna be creating an HD, not a full HD, but just an HD project here, or image. You can call it whatever, but you can do a lot of things in there. So that's why I'm kind of indecisive on what to call it. So I'm just gonna do HD. HD is its width is 1280. It's HD by 720. That's why most times they call it 720 if you don't know. And for full HD, if you want to create full HD, it's 1920 by 1080. That's why they call it 1080 most of the times. But I want to create just HD, not the standard HD or full HD, and the 720. And you can leave these as they are. We shall get on that in the later tutorials, but these are kind of complicated. And the background contents, you can leave it white if you want the background to be white, but you can even make it background color. You can select a background color. You can leave it on transparent if you're going to create a PNG or a transparent image with a transparent background, and you can even delete the white when you want to. So this doesn't really matter what you choose on, because you can change it after. And just click OK, and your new canvas should show up with white if you selected white. If you selected transparent, it should bring up the transparent canvas. So as you can see, here is the layer section. As you can see, your layers. So this is where all your layers go. And layers, as you hear them, they are just layers. Another layer on another layer and on another layer. And I'm gonna show you how you can use them, and I think this will show you and give you a basic understanding of what layers really do and what makes them so useful. So here is this button. It's used to create new layers. You can see down here, when you hover over it, it shows create a new layer. And most of the controls here, when you hover over them, they show you what they do. The move tool. Let me just create a new layer. I'm just gonna put some simple text on it and show you, and we shall be getting on these text tools in the later videos, but this one is focusing on the layers. As you can see, a new layer is created right here, and on this new layer I select the text tool. On this new layer, I can write my text. Let me just write Chibi on this one. Just make the text bigger, and again I will explain all of this in later tutorials, but for now I just need to show you what I am trying to mean by layers being layers. As you can see, Muchibi is on another layer and the background is on another layer, which means I can take away Muchibi without taking out the background, or I can take out the background without taking out Muchibi. So if I click on this one is for show and hide. If you want to hide the layer, just click layer visibility is off now, on, and I can even take out the background, and I can even delete them. You can do anything you want with them. And let me just create another layer and put on Maxon on it, so that you can get what I really mean by layers. and max tone is also on another layer as well, so you can turn it off, turn it back on. And this might not look so useful right now, but trust me, it's one of what makes Photoshop very, very powerful, and all the Adobe softwares. Other softwares use layers as well, but not as good as the Adobe software. And you can delete the layers, change their opacity. As you can see, you can change that layer's opacity without changing the others. You can do a lot of things here. You can give this one color overlay and all the stuff we're gonna look at in the later videos. You can delete the background, but you have to first unlock it first. As you can see, this padlock here, it shows that the layer is locked, so double click that. You just rename it like background again, or back. Let me just name it BG. Just press OK, and as you can see, it's unlocked. I can delete it now. To delete, you just click on the layer you want to delete and just press the delete. Here is the delete button right here, down right here next to the create layer. If you press that, the background is gone. And to undo, you just press Ctrl Z on Windows or Command Z on a Mac. So I'm just going to press Command Z, and as you can see, it's undone. And if this doesn't give you a basic understanding of layers, we are going to be using them a lot in the next videos. So I just wanted to give you an intro so that you don't get confused when I get to use layers in the next videos. So thanks you guys for watching, and see you in video number 3.